So I've always wanted to get into amigurumi making, but I didn't know where to start. I knew you needed a bunch of different materials, but not a lot of them, and I didn't want to go to the store and have to get everything. So I tried out Creatkits, and they're actually really perfect because they give you every single material that you need, and I'm talking every single material, like the crochet hook, the scissors, the stitch markers, everything. I also love that they come with a basic crochet stitches book. I think that's really cool for beginners so they can learn all these different types of stitches like the half double crochet, single crochet, how to make a magic ring. I highly recommend this kit to all my friends that want to learn how to crochet or that already crochet and want to get into amigurumi because the tutorials are super easy to follow. They also support righties and lefties. And there's so many toys to pick from, so there's endless creative fun. You can order your kit off of Creatkits.com and use my discount code Sheila10 for 10% off your purchase. I have the link in the description and also in my bio. So go order your kit and start crafting your own adorable toys. And look at this, it comes with a keychain. Like, how cute is that?